Okay guys, we have this Ps4 here with blue light. Just wanted to show you. Let's turn it on. Okay, so you can see I was spraying there already. Found the problem already. It's getting extremely hot, so that ram is on fire. It's burning out. So let's take it off and put another one in, and hopefully that solves our problem. There you go. Okay, there we go. So this guy's off. Very messy. Let's clean up. Use some with solder just to lower the temperature. It looks like I pulled just give myself some work there. I just give myself some work here. Okay. Might have made it worse. Let's hope that there's just no contact. Otherwise, it's a lot more work. Okay, so let's go in and see if there are no contact pads or what. Come on now. Are we there yet? Okay, yes we are. Okay, so my guy here is up. Where's my good tweezer? Find it anywhere. Yeah, let's roll this one here quick. So wire just to ease up here. Boom. Finish. Okay, so we need solder wick. Turn it around. Okay, that's done. Camera is just next to me here. So it's what is it? Samsung. No, Samsung. It's the Samsung. So so we've been listening to the Samsung all this time. Okay, so yeah, that's clean. Never mind these ones here. If you wanna have it perfect, it's up to you. Okay, now I need to find the stencil. I can take this or 5. Okay, this stencil should do. As you can see, I've been working with this already, so hopefully we can get this thing done in no time. On it and clean today, and next week's already dirty, so yeah. Okay, let's blow some hair there. Okay, let's lift it up now. Okay, we'll still have one missing one there, but it's fine. And that must be the one I was complaining about. Apply some plug, isopropyl. I'll also tell you if there is one that's not attached. It'll soften the flux, and then it's easier for you to see. Okay, so we have one missing bolt there. Let's just move it this side here. So all you need to do is take a little bit of flux somewhere. Just put it right there in the middle there, where that ball is. Now just grab one ball somewhere. Okay, sit it there. Find the solder ball somewhere. Let's put it right there in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay, let's apply some heat, and hopefully we're done. It's moving, so when it's moving like that, just bring it back to where you want it to the center. It's okay for it to move, but the thing is now, this thing is acting as a heat sink, this metal here. So let me just move it a little bit. Let's move out a little bit, but I'll zoom in. It's a little bit close to. Okay, I need the phone call doing here. Yeah, so here we go. So let's apply some heat. Okay, this thing is still moving. It needs to sit right in the middle. Okay, maybe that should do. Let's see. Let's apply some flux. Okay, so when we look here, there is that white dot on the bottom corner here. That's where we align the RAM. to get you guys a shot of how the solder melt. Okay, let's see. So we'll be able to get it. Okay, we showed it. Yeah, so let's start the reflow process. Just make sure everything is sitting properly. Okay, let's start the reflow process. That's all we need to do now. Okay, I think we're good. We should be good. Okay, so we'll give it a couple seconds to cool down and then we'll switch on the console. Hopefully this issue is resolved. So, pull this guy back, solder, screw the clamp down, and see if you're getting a white light now. Apply power to the machine. Boom. Okay. Are we getting a white light now? Oh, what? Is it even gonna turn on? Okay, we're still passing. Okay guys, looks like we have a white light, I think. Let's turn it up. Surprise. Okay, let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Something just fall there. Boom. The Ps4 is fixed now. You have a white light there. Okay, let's just turn it up to make sure. Oh, we need to wait for the hard drive to, okay, for it to see the hard drive, but you can always press. It's taking forever. Okay, that switch buttons also acting up anyway. Let's just see. Okay, there we go. We have a pulsing white light. So, problem is fixed. Those, how do you call these ones? Yeah, those pads were no contact. So, as we call it, no connect. So, let's try again, just to be sure.